My name is O Hanlon. I'm one of the architects in the 3 architecture team. I would have probably over 20 years experience in IT, working across telecoms, finance, public service. From BSS transformation, I think from our perspective, it's kind of looking at the business as a whole. So we would have originally been 3 Ireland, and 3 Ireland purchased O2 Ireland. So as part of the BSS transformation, from our perspective, what we're looking at is a threefold or 3-step delivery. First was kind of upgrade the existing platform, which would be step 1. Step 2 was then the consolidation into a single IT stack, which we're currently in the process of kind of delivery. And then the third part is the transformation element. This is where we're looking at the full business transformation. So from a Torry Harris perspective, as Torry Harris are responsible for overall middleware, it's enabling us to abstract a lot of that functionality into the integration layer, enabling a lot of our channels to stay as they are today by pushing down that functionality into the middleware, where it's enabling us to kind of reduce the amount of work across the overall program. So it simplifies the overall architecture from our perspective. From an importance perspective, we see the gateway as being kind of core to kind of some of our business going forward. At the moment, there's quite a lot of, there is a group-wide initiative exposing APIs externally to monetize services. So again, a lot of these services that we will be exposing out through, say, the Digital Hub, which is the group-wide initiative, would enable external third parties to access data from our systems. The gateway would form a core component of our overall architecture, because that would provide the kind of the security layer between our internal systems and anything external. I think what attracted us to the Torry Harris solution, the Connect API, it was primarily twofold, to be honest. There was our relationship with Torry Harris, because Torry Harris provide us with the whole SOA functionality, our SOA layer. And from a architectural perspective, the gateway and SOA are very much aligned, and it makes sense from our perspective to have Torry Harris manage both. We had evaluated a number of different options, but I think one of the key reasonings behind going with the gateway was the actual functionality, the richness of the functionality. I would say one of the key things I like about working with Torry Harris is the professionalism. My experience with Torry Harris has been very positive. The vendor, Torry Harris, are interested enough to try and understand what our asks are and what we're looking for, and they're looking to deliver the solution that we were asking. Say, anyone I've dealt with have always been extremely helpful, very proactive. Have always been there looking to provide kind of options or solutions to any issues we've had. To me, it's how people work with you in a crisis or under stress, gives you an indication of the type of people that they are. The way I would see it is, if I had to go into the trenches, I would be quite happy to have Torry Harris in the trenches with me.